Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. A rectangle is divided into 3 regions, having an area of 5 square units, 4 square units, and 5 square units. These 2 segments are parallel to each other and intersect to the diagonal AB at points C and D. And the question is, what is the ratio of segment CD and segment AB? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. So, our goal is to find the ratio of segment CD to segment AB. Now, how are we going to answer this question? Now, take note that these 2 right triangles are congruent because these 2 segments are parallel to each other. So, by symmetry, these 2 right triangles are congruent to each other. So what we're going to do to answer this question is to slide this blue right triangle on the left side like this. Now let's label some segments. Let's call this as base sub 1 and this is base sub 2. We know that base sub 1 plus base sub 2 must be equal to the length of this rectangle. And the height of this rectangle must be equal to h. Now the area of a parallelogram must be equal to base times height. Therefore, the area of this parallelogram, the combination of 2 right triangles, must be equal to base sub 1 times h. And the area of this green region can be written as base sub 2 times h. Now, we know the value of base sub 1 times h. This is just equivalent to 10 because 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Now, the value of base sub 2 times h is just 4 because the area of this green parallelogram is simply 4. Now, we want the ratio of base sub 1 and base sub 2. So, what we're going to do is to divide these 2 equations. If we do that, we get base sub 1 times h over base sub 2 times h equals 10 over 4. Now, at this point, we can cancel out h on the numerator and h on the denominator. And also, we can simplify 10 over 4 as 5 over 2. Therefore, the ratio of base sub 1 and base sub 2 must be equal to 5 over 2 or 5:2. Now, let's go back to our original figure because we are now ready to find the ratio of CD over AB. Now, take note that this length is also base sub 1 and this length is also base sub 2. The reason is this green figure is a parallelogram and these 2 right triangles are congruent. Therefore, this is also base sub 1 and this is base sub 2. Now at this point, let's focus on these 2 similar triangles. We know they are similar because we have 2 parallel lines. Now we know also that the ratio of base sub 1 and base sub 2 must be equal to 5:2. Now, using the similarity of this figure, we can say that the ratio of side AC to side CD must be equal to 5 over 2 also. So, we have 5:2. Now, by symmetry, this AC is equivalent to DB. Therefore, the ratio of segment DB to segment CD is also 5:2. Now, at this point, we are now ready to find the ratio of segment CD and segment AB. Now, segment CD is just 2, and segment AB is 5 plus 2 plus 5 or simply 12. Thus, 2 over 12 will give us 1 over 6. Therefore, given this figure, the ratio of segment CD and segment AB must be equal to 1 over 6 or 1:6. And as always, we are done.